So this is one of my weirdest locks that I have in my collection, and to those of you who use one of these every day or so, it clearly isn't weird at all. But to me, I just love the shape of this, and for those who don't know instantly what one of these is, it might look a bit odd and not like a lock at all. But this is some form of fuel tank lock. I'm assuming heavy oil or diesel or something, because it absolutely reeks of it. And it comes with a tubular lock like this, and it has two positions. It can only turn this way or that way. I assume that is neutral to locked, or it could be locked, unlocked. It's the same key, operates the same way, so I guess it doesn't really matter. What I can't tell is what the locking mechanism is. It does seem to have a plate in the middle, which is loose. I'm thinking that maybe, just maybe, this is held on with friction as fuel is used up in the tank. Obviously, it'll create a vacuum. This might be drawn on tighter, and therefore, if that valve's closed, it might be hard to remove without a key. That's what I'm guessing, but I could be way off. I really should have looked this up before the video, but I actually like the fact that I can rely on other people in the comments to tell me how it should work. And then assuming that you open it up, that releases the valve a bit, and then all the other way around, and that allows air to rush in from the outside, equilibrating the pressure and allowing you to open up this screw on cap. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm not. Be an interesting one to put in the comments to find out either way. So how do we pick this? Well, normally with a tubular lock, you'd use a tubular lock tension tool, hold it on there and turn it. But the problem is that this little dust cover thing, which also has a seal on there, it gets in the way. You sort of need to have a tension tool which is only about that, between my fingertips, that long for it to work. So the way I got around it, it's a bit painful, but it's to use a tension tool like this and push against the center post like that to pick it. So I'd hold it like this. It sometimes comes out like that. And I will try to apply tension like this, then use a broken pick like that to get in there and try to just pick the pins to see whether I can tension the tool. Now what you've got to be careful is that you don't end up pushing against this bit when you do that, because that is a bit of a no-no. And yeah, it's just about a case of going around just tapping anything which feels like it's binding. Oh, and if it opens like that. Now what I'm not going to do is bore you by picking it all the way around in the same real time speed. So I will try and pick it all the way around, and you see what it does to my finger. Ow! And speed it all up for you. Okay, let's give it a go. Can be a bit finicky this, but we'll see. And there we have it. A surprisingly tough pick made by the fact that that was sort of my tensioning option, and it really hurt. The only good thing about that was that the key seems to have sort of mirrored bitting on it, which is odd. But yeah, kind of cool, I guess. You can't put the key in upside down, so I don't know why you'd need mirrored bitting. Maybe I'm missing something. But yeah, kind of a cool lock nonetheless, don't you think? If you like this lock as much as I do, please leave a like. If you have a comment about it, as in you can tell me how it's supposed to work, drop one below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, really helps my channel out. And of course, I will see you all next time.